Every week, another game-changing AI tool launches. Most of them, absolute garbage. But 10 of them actually saved me over 20 hours last month. And I'm about to show you exactly which ones, how I use them, and why most people are using them completely wrong. Welcome to Beyond the Algorithm, where we cut through the AI hype and show you what actually works. I'm not here to sell you courses or push sponsored tools. I'm here because I spent the last 6 months drowning in AI tools, testing everything, wasting money on subscriptions I canceled after 3 days. And finally, I found the ones that actually matter. No face, just focus. No hype, just help. Let's get into it. Number 1, and yeah, it's obvious, but hear me out. ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI chat tool you prefer. But here's what most people miss. They're using it like Google. Asking one question, getting one answer, moving on. Wrong. The power is in the conversation. I use it to brainstorm video ideas. Not just give me 10 ideas, but having an actual back and forth where it asks me questions, challenges my assumptions, helps me refine until I land on something actually worth making. I use it to write first drafts of scripts, not to replace my voice, but to get past that blank page paralysis. Then I rewrite it in my own words. Pro tip, be specific. Don't ask, help me with my video. Ask, I'm making a 10-minute video for beginners about AI productivity tools. My audience is overwhelmed by options. Help me structure this so it's immediately valuable without being overwhelming. See the difference? Cost. Free tier works fine. Paid is $20 per month if you want faster responses and advanced features. Number 2, Notion AI. If you're already using Notion, this is a no-brainer. If you're not, maybe this is why you should start. Here's my workflow. I dump all my chaotic thoughts into a page. Random ideas, half-formed sentences, bullet points that make no sense. Then I highlight it all and tell Notion AI to organize this into a coherent outline. Boom, structure from chaos. I also use it to summarize long meeting notes, generate action items from brainstorming sessions, and translate my technical jargon into normal human language when I'm writing something for beginners. The killer feature? It understands the context of your entire workspace. It's not just a chatbot floating in isolation. It knows what you're working on. Cost, $10 per month on top of your Notion subscription, or free if you're on their student/educator plan. Number 3, Descript. This one literally changed how I edit videos. You edit video by editing text. Read that again. You upload your video, it transcribes everything you said, and you edit by deleting sentences from the transcript. Delete a sentence in the text? It deletes that moment from your video. No more scrubbing through timelines trying to find that one you want to cut. But here's where the AI gets wild. Overdub. You type new words and it generates them in your voice. Made a mistake? Don't re-record. Just type the correction and Descript creates it in your voice. It's honestly kind of scary how good it is. Also has AI features for removing filler words, adding subtitles automatically, and even improving audio quality. Cost, free tier for basic use. Paid starts at $12 per month. Number 4, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI if you want a free option. This is how I create every visual for my videos. Thumbnails, background imagery, conceptual illustrations, everything. You describe what you want in text, and it generates images that honestly look better than most stock photos. The learning curve is real. Your first attempts will look weird. But once you figure out how to prompt it well, you can create exactly the vibe you need. I'll drop a link in the description to a prompting guide that helped me stop generating images with 6-fingered hands and start creating actually usable content. Cost, Midjourney is $10 per month for basic. Leonardo AI has a generous free tier. Number 5, Otter.ai. Every meeting I'm in, every interview I do, every voice memo I record while driving, Otter is transcribing it in real time. But it's not just transcription. It identifies different speakers, generates summaries of what was discussed, pulls out action items, and even lets you search your audio files by keyword. That brilliant idea you had in last week's brainstorm? Just search for a keyword and Otter finds the exact moment you said it. I also use it to transcribe YouTube videos I want to study, podcast episodes I want to reference, basically anything audio that I might want to quote or learn from later. Cost-free tier is surprisingly generous. Paid is $17 per month for unlimited transcription. Number 6, Grammarly. Yeah, it's been around forever, but the new AI features make it actually worth talking about. It's not just catching typos anymore. It's rewriting entire paragraphs to be clearer, adjusting your tone, making that passive-aggressive email sound professional, or making that overly formal message sound human. I use it for every email, every script, every social media caption. The AI suggestions for make this more confident or make this friendlier have genuinely improved how I communicate. The premium AI features analyze your writing patterns and help you break bad habits. Turns out I overuse the word actually. Who knew? Cost. Free version catches basics. Premium is $12 per month and includes all the AI features. Number 7, Runway ML. This is where AI video generation is actually happening. You can generate video clips from text descriptions, extend existing videos, remove backgrounds, add motion to still images. It's basically magic. I'll be honest, I'm still learning this one. The quality varies. But for B-roll footage when stock videos aren't cutting it, or creating surreal, futuristic visuals that don't exist in real life, this is the tool. Fair warning, it's compute intensive, so the free tier runs out fast. But even just playing with it teaches you what's possible. Cost, free credits to start, paid plans from $12 per month. Number 8, Perplexity AI. Think of it as if ChatGPT and Google had a baby that actually cited its sources. When I'm researching for videos, I need facts, not hallucinations. Perplexity searches the web, synthesizes information from multiple sources, and, this is the key, shows you exactly where it got each piece of information. I use it for quick research, fact-checking, finding recent news about AI tools, basically anything where I need accurate, cited information fast. It's also great for explain this technical concept in simple terms queries, where you want to make sure the explanation is actually correct. Cost, free tier is solid. Pro is $20 per month for unlimited searches and access to better models. Number 9, Canva, specifically the AI features they've been rolling out. Magic Eraser lets you remove objects from images. Text to image generates graphics right inside your design. And the template suggestions actually understand what you're trying to create. For thumbnails, channel art, social media graphics, anything visual that needs to look professional, but you're not a designer, Canva's AI features are getting ridiculously good. I create every thumbnail for these videos in Canva. The AI suggests color schemes, helps me remove backgrounds, even generates alternative design layouts. Cost, free version has basics. Pro is $13 per month and includes all AI features. Number 10, ElevenLabs. AI voice generation that doesn't sound like a robot having a stroke. I don't use this for my main voiceovers. You're hearing my actual voice right now. But for creating multiple character voices in explainer videos, for translating content into other languages while keeping the same voice, for generating placeholder audio while I'm scripting. Game changer. You can even clone your own voice, which means if you make a mistake in recording, you can type the correction and generate it in your voice. Similar to Descript's overdub, but ElevenLabs is specifically built for this. Ethical warning, this technology can be misused. Don't clone voices without permission. Don't create deepfakes. Use it responsibly. Cost, free tier for testing. Paid starts at $5 per month. Here's what nobody tells you about AI tools. Most of them won't change your life. They'll just create new ways to procrastinate. The tools I just showed you, I use 6 of them daily. The other 4? Maybe once a week. And that's fine. You don't need every tool. You need the right tools for your actual workflow. Start with one, master it, then add another. The goal isn't to collect AI subscriptions like Pokemon cards. The goal is to actually save time, do better work, or create things you couldn't create before. These 10 did that for me. Maybe different tools will do it for you. And that's what this channel is about, helping you figure out which ones are worth your time. If this helped you, subscribe. I'm dropping a new video every week breaking down AI tools, comparing platforms, showing you real workflows you can steal. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first, or which one you think I missed that should have made this list. Next video, I'm diving deep into ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini. Which one actually wins for different use cases? You won't want to miss it. This is beyond the algorithm. No face, just focus. No hype, just help. Let's build something.